Glad to have you. I'm Stu. I'm sure you met my son Slaw, and my wife will be out with the food in a minute.
Woo! So great to be here. I'm so glad you invited me over. Finally, after 2 days.
After 2 whole days.
Yes. Well, hello there, Lulu. It's so good to have you here in our home. Yes, what happened there, Stu? Okay. Okay. All right. Well, how was Sharp Talk this weekend, huh?
It was great.
It was
so fun. I met
so much fun.
Slaw, your son, Stu. We're in love.
Oh, that's just wonderful. You know, we've heard a lot about that. You know,
Dad,
show up.
so good.
That was
Great.
Thank you.
Your parents. Awesome. You must have took a really long time preparing this.
That's right. We're so normal, right?
Normal, right? They're so normal. They are so great. I mean, I don't know. But they are so normal.
So, Lulu, what was your favorite part of camp, huh?
I loved everything about it. I loved Bob and Bob. I loved swing. I loved
The swing? That's great. Yeah. Lulu, how come you haven't touched your food there, huh?
Well, I've just been talking so much, you know. I mean, it looks great. I'm about to take her down. Okay, what's going on here? Like, why are you chewing his food into his mouth like?
I know what you're talking about. Earmuffs, son. Earmuffs. Okay, Slaw. All right, so this is the deal. Well, if you see that, Slaw was born, he didn't have a salivary gland, so he can't chew and swallow his food. So his father and I do it for him. Yeah. You just tell her more. I don't even know what to say.
His teeth are just like little chalk, and they can't chew the food, so we do it for them.
It's I do.
This happens every single night since birth. This has happened since birth.
That's right.
For 20 years.
Little piece of the chalk his teeth.
Oh, that's why I didn't see you at all during the meal times at camp.
That's right. She went back to the kitchen for me, and she fed me during every meal.
The staff was so nice. I don't know. Nice. Well, hello there. Apple. Look what I got. What is this? An apple pie. An apple pie? Would you like me to feed it to you? No. Oh, you want Lulu to feed it to you? Do you mind if I call you Lou? There, Lulu? No? All right, yeah, we're just taking on over to her then, What are you gonna do?
Yeah, Lulu! Lou! Knock it out!